Good day to everyone. I am Jimmy Cayo. I work with the Cordillera Disaster Response and Development Services. This is a non-government organization involved in emergency response and disaster risk reduction in the whole Cordillera region.
Sikak si Levi sa kaya ibadoy siya Benguet.
Siya ni Akiba, may isang kankana ay ibaloy iti Benguet.
Gawis ay agaw sakon si Celso, usap ay kankanaoy sinang kabinggitan.
Biodiversity is deeply rooted among us indigenous peoples. Our beliefs, our customary laws, our traditional practices are deeply rooted in our environment. This year, we experienced the hottest temperature. It has due to the El Nino phenomenon. It has caused the drying of streams, springs, brooks, and also has caused the drying up of our rice fields, our cornfields, our gardens. Yeah. This has also caused illnesses like urinary tract infection, diarrhea, and also cancellation of classes due to the extreme heat. In 2023, we experienced 11 typhoons. Usually the Philippines have an average of 22 typhoons a year. Among the 11 typhoons last year, there were 3 super typhoons and has caused also a lot of damages among the communities. Traditional practices is no longer observed due to the limited irrigation, and synchronization of rice planting is not also practiced. For the past years, the Cordis RDS has been promoting sustainable agriculture through trainings and also through documentation of traditional rice varieties. We have also produced information, education, and communication materials on protecting the environment and also documenting the rice water-bearing trees among our forest.
Dagiti nabatbati pay ang napipintas a bakbakir ano sa dino ket isu ti papagyanan dagiti agduduma nga mulmula ken animales ket masarakan kadagiti teritoryo dagiti nainsigudan nga umili. Daytoy ket gapu iti naurot a relasyon tayo iti aglawlaw tayo. Babaan kadagiti kaamuan ken sursuro ket naipreserba dagitoy nga kinabaknang. Ti panakipaset iti nainsigudan nga umili iti Philippine Biodiversity Strategy and Action Planning ket napateg. Daytoy ket tapno maibingay tayo dagiti nabaknang kapadasan iti panagaywan iti aglawlaw. Pakawat dagiti nainsigudan nga umili kasilpuna iti daga nainsigudan a kaamuan ken dagiti karbengan na ket mabigbig ken maikan konsiderasyon iti panangipagna iti daytoy a plano.